I'm Austin Mattingly. I'm a senior mechanical engineer here at UK, and I am the vice president of membership of Triangle Fraternity.
My name is John Hooker. I'm a junior chemical engineering student here at UK, and I'm the vice president of activities for Triangle Fraternity.
Triangle Fraternity is a social fraternity for engineers, architects, and scientists. And our idea is to develop the first net zero energy fraternity house.
Just so that we're all on the same page, net zero energy use is a familiar term these days, but just so you all know, a net zero energy building is a building that creates renewable energy on site, and they create enough to offset any energy that they use from the grid so that at the end of the month, their net electric bill is zero, or in some cases they actually gain money by adding electricity to the grid. And this idea has already sort of started here at UK. We have a lot of support from the university. In fact, we already have land that we're going to be using just down the street, actually that way. The University of Kentucky is very focused on having a sustainability program, as you can see from this quote from their website. And actually a lot of universities are following suit, so this is not an uncommon thing.
And through the university, we kind of have our own design firm, essentially. We have the College of Engineering, we have the College of Design, we have Power Energy Institute in Kentucky, and CMTA, which is a local engineering consulting firm around here. And through that design firm, we have Dr. Greg Lujan and Isaac Fideniak, who developed the solar house at UK this last year. In addition to being net zero, this house will also be a living laboratory. Essentially, the tenants will be able to do research in the house due to the ever-growing sustainable technology that exists today. There's going to be always going to be new technology. So our design firm is going to be designing something that plug and play, which as soon as this older technology goes out today, we can pull that out and put in new technology. So this is going off of this plug and play type aspect.
And that's really the beauty of the plan, is that Triangle is a nonprofit organization. We're a fraternity. We can't make money. So in order for us to build this house, we need sponsors. And we're going to be able to get a lot of corporate sponsorship because a lot of corporations are looking to test and showcase their sustainable technology. And these houses, our house in particular right now, is going to be sort of a laboratory for them. They can test HVAC systems, other mechanical and electrical systems that they want to be able to make sustainable and green. And they're going to be able to do that in our house. So that will provide copious amounts of funding. And as us being a Triangle, and this is sort of our business plan, there obviously have to be benefits for us. And because we are a nonprofit and we can't have monetary benefits, there are other benefits that we can't have. One, especially tying into the corporations, it's going to be a great recruiting tool for us. If we have freshmen coming in that are interested in our organization and they see that we're working with corporations, they're going to say, wow, that's a lot of networking opportunities for me, that's a lot of experience for us. Any of our members that are working on the design and implementation of this program are going to gain vast amounts of knowledge during that process, and it can be a great resume builder for everybody involved.
The scope of this idea isn't just to contain the net zero energy lifestyle with the fraternity. Our goal is to expand to the entire university. There are roughly 40 Greek organizations, and there are 20 dorms on campus. So if we expand into other aspects of the university, the university as a whole and Triangle Fraternity become a beacon of sustainable technology. So. And then more long-term goals is not just to restrict to university as well, to expand to other universities. If we have 40 Greek organizations here at UK and we have 20 dorms on campus, there are thousands and thousands of opportunities around the nation in general. So since we are the first group that kind of founds this sustainable technology house, we can consult to other universities and basically go out and start a whole new aspect of net zero energy on university campuses. Because when you think about it, when students leave home and go to university, they essentially, it's Dama.
Yeah, just to reiterate real quick. Triangle, we can't gain money. So what this is going to be able to do is to generate prestige for us throughout the campus and then eventually nationwide as a fraternity that's leading the sustainable technology.